So with regards to the patient identifier sticker, we are going to use the reporting template. And what we did in the past is that we used the browser. So we were using a library for React to generate the browser, to generate the print identifier sticker, and then we were downloading that sticker. But then this didn't work well with devices that are low powered, like tablets. So we switched to using a backend tooling. And among the tools we have in OpenMRS, we decided to use the OpenMRS reporting module. So how do you use the patient identifier sticker report template? So what we did is that we went ahead to the OpenMRS common reports module, and we created a simple and we created a report template. And I've shared the link on the chat in case you want to follow up. It has a link to all these resources. So we went ahead and created a patient ID sticker report template, and we created a simple documentation for it on how to use it. And the second step you need to do is to add the configuration, add your configuration of the patient identifier sticker via the initializer. So OpenMRS has an initializer module, and it provides a key value um, pair. So what you will need to do is you go to the initializer and you just look for the key value pair, and you will add your JSON configuration, this one, to the ID, to the JSON key values. And among the configurations that we added, we have fields that are configurable, and in the fields we have the identifier, the names, the date of birth, the age, the gender, and the address. So you can either remove it or just simply change the text to false in order to disable it. And you add your logo, and you add the number of pages, that is the number of stickers you want to print. You add whether you need the header and the patient size. That is the height. I mean the sticker size. That is the height of the sticker and the width of the sticker. And the last step that you will need to run this is to just use the API that we added to the common reports module, and you will generate something like that. So to give you a quick preview, we haven't yet added this to the front end. This is a step we shall be using. So what you need to do is to just use the API, add the patient ID, and then the identifier, and then the file that is downloaded. You will have an ID of the configurations that you have passed uh, um, via the initializer. So what we opt to do in the future is to add the endpoint that you have seen me execute here to the front end, so that so that we can just download by clicking the print identifier sticker button. Yeah. So how to follow us up is you need to go to the OpenMRS Squad dashboard, and look for the label printing squad, and you can follow the epic that we created. And also feel free to join us on Slack. We have an O3 Slack channel in the OpenMRS, and you can also leave comments on the OpenMRS talk topic for the suggestion and steps for the patient identifier sticker. Yes, kudos to Dennis, Ian, Daniel, Michael, Pius, Binit, Jasanka, the MECOM team, and the OpenMRS community at large. Thank you all. Yeah, also in case you have any question, feel free to just post in the O3 Slack, O3 print Slack channel that I shared above. Thank you.